Did you know that simply being kind to cats could open the doors of your sustenance from Allah? There's a powerful secret in Islam that many overlook. Showing mercy to animals, especially cats, can bring blessings, forgiveness, and even miracles in your life. In this video, we'll uncover 3 simple things you can do with cats that can increase your rizq, soften your heart, and invite Allah's mercy into your home. Because when you care for Allah's creation, the Creator Himself cares for you. Stay till the end. The story of one woman who fed a cat and was forgiven by Allah will leave you speechless. Let's begin. Islam is a religion of mercy, compassion, and gentleness, not only toward humans, but also toward every living being on earth. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam was known for his deep love and kindness toward animals. He said, "Show mercy to those on the earth, and the one above the heavens will show mercy to you." Sunnah al-Tirmidhi. Showing kindness to animals, especially cats, is a sign of a soft and faithful heart. Cats were beloved by the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam and even kept in his home. His companion Abu Khaira, may Allah be pleased with him, whose name literally means father of the kitten, was known for caring for cats lovingly, and the Prophet never discouraged him. Rather, he honored that compassion. When you show mercy to cats by feeding them, protecting them from harm, or giving them affection, you are practicing Brahma, mercy, one of the most beloved qualities to Allah. Such acts draw divine blessings and open doors of Rizq, sustenance, in beautiful, unexpected ways. Even a simple gesture like pouring milk for a stray cat or giving shelter to one in need can become a reason for Allah's mercy to descend upon your home and your life to fill with Barakah, blessings. In Islam, charity, Sadaqah, is not limited to giving money to the poor. It extends to every act of kindness, even toward animals. Feeding a hungry cat, giving it water, or simply caring for it when it's in need is counted as an act of worship in the sight of Allah. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam said, "In every living being there is a reward for charity." Sahih al-Bukhari. There is a famous hadith about a sinful woman who saw a thirsty cat dying of hunger. Out of compassion, she took off her shoe, filled it with water, and gave it to the cat. Because of that single act of mercy, Allah forgave all her sins and admitted her into paradise. This shows how powerful small, sincere deeds can be. Feeding a cat is not just kindness. It is Sadaqah ayayiyah, ongoing charity. If that animal lives because of your care, Allah in return promises to increase your rizqas, sustenance, and bless your home with peace. So, whenever you see a hungry or lost cat, remember, you have an opportunity to earn Allah's pleasure. Feed them, not for recognition, but purely for His sake, and He will feed your soul and your life with endless blessings. Islam strictly forbids cruelty or neglect toward animals. Every creature that breathes is part of Allah's creation and deserves mercy and respect. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam warned us about the grave sin of harming animals. He said, "A woman was punished in hell because she imprisoned a cat until it died. She neither fed it nor let it eat from the insects of the earth." Sahih al-Bukhari. This hadith teaches us that neglect and cruelty remove Allah's mercy and close the doors of blessings, Barakah. Even something as small as denying food or water to a helpless creature can become a reason for punishment, while kindness to animals can be a means of forgiveness and increase in resistance. When you harm or ignore a hungry animal, you turn away from an opportunity to please Allah. But when you protect them, feed them, and care for them, you invite Allah's compassion into your life. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam said, "Whoever shows mercy even to a sparrow, Allah will show mercy to him on the day of judgment." Isnad Ahmad. So never harm or neglect any creature, because how you treat Allah's creations determines how much of His mercy you receive. Cleanliness, tahra, is a major part of faith in Islam, and caring for animals, especially cats, is fully in harmony with that principle. Cats hold a special and respected place in Islamic tradition because the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam declared them pure. Here, it was narrated that he allowed cats to drink from household water and even perform ablution, wudu, from the same bowl. He said, "Pebbles are not impure, they intermingle with you." Sunan Abu Dawood. This shows that cats are clean creatures by nature. They groom themselves regularly and are among the few animals considered pure in both touch and presence. Caring for them with cleanliness, providing them with clean water, a safe space, and treating them gently reflects a believer's awareness of purity and discipline. Keeping a clean home where cats are treated kindly brings barakah, blessings, and peace. It also reflects the balance Islam teaches to maintain hygiene while showing mercy to Allah's creatures. So, if you keep cats, ensure they are clean, healthy, and well fed. Your cleanliness and care not only honor them, but also honor the Sunnah. Through this balance of mercy and purity, Allah increases your rizq and fills your home with His blessings. The way we treat animals reveals the true condition of our hearts. A soft heart, one filled with faith, humility, and compassion, naturally shows mercy to every creature. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam was the perfect example of this mercy. He would feed animals, protect them from harm, and even rebuke companions who treated them harshly. He said, "Whoever is merciful even to a sparrow, Allah will be merciful to him on the day of judgment." Musnad Ahmad. Mercy is not a weakness. It is a sign of strong faith and a heart connected to Allah. When you show gentleness to animals like cats, birds, or even stray dogs, you are embodying one of Allah's greatest names, Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. A believer's compassion should extend beyond humans to all of creation, for every creature glorifies Allah in its own way. By showing mercy, you open the doors to Barakah, blessing, and inner peace. If your heart feels hard or distant from Allah, try helping or feeding an animal. It softens the heart and revives faith. For the one who shows mercy to Allah's creation, Allah fills their life with His mercy, love, and endless rizq.